You are going to love the 2018 Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, stability control, traction control, cruise control, trip odometer, power windows, fog lights, compass, power brakes, child safety locks. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.